Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to bold text in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you have not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page where you want to go ahead and log into your account, after which we can now get started with accessing our store options and all the sections right here, like home, products, orders, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with bolding our text. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is go right here under the sales channel and open up the online store option. After opening up online store, this is automatically going to open up the themes section right here where we can get started with taking a look at our theme that we are using and editing it. So what I'm going to do, guys, is right here next to your theme, I'm going to go ahead and click the customize button. After opening up the customize button, it's going to open up this editor where we can get started with customizing how our theme looks. As you can see here, I have my header, my template, and my footer, and now I can get started. So you can see here I have my text box that I want to bold. So what I can do, guys, is go ahead and take a look and click on my text right here that I want to bold. As you can see, after taking a look and clicking on it, it's going to open up this new menu where we can see a lot of options we have for our text, and one of them is called bold. So what you can do, guys, is click bold and start bolding whatever you want. As you can see, it's going to bold the text on your page, so you can set it however you want. After that, just click save in the upper right corner, save it, and apply it to your store. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.